Snipe Squad, what it going on, boy? I'm talking about on. It is your boy Snapper Jones, and I'm back with Big Holla, boy.
Hey.
What's up, boy?
Hey, listen, y'all already know what's going on. We here.
Hey, man, check this out, bro. I just got back in Gwinnett, man. I literally just pulled up, and we about to go get some of that famous ass Asian food. With Thai? We about to get some of that famous ass Thai food that I called ass last time.
First, he about to go try my barber. He about to be out here looking like these, you know what I'm saying?
Bro, I ain't gonna hold you, bro. Like, if your barber ass, man. The thing about trying new barbers is, bro, you never know what the hell gonna happen. I'm really nervous right now because he say his barber good, but he's bald though.
You know what I'm saying? But he be lining up my beard though, coach.
Bro,
let's go.
Post in the comments, pray for Snipes Barber. You know what I'm saying? I should have got a cut before I left the city, man, but I was in a rush. If he the first chair, I ain't going. That's on dog.
They only got 2 barbers in the shop though.
Oh, hell no. Pray for the kid. Walking to Publix right now to hit up the ATM so I can get some cash out for this cut. I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. I'm nervous as hell. Since I moved to Atlanta, I've been having the same barber for as long as I know. Now, you know what I'm saying? It's about to be a new barber touching my head, and I don't know how I feel about it, boy. You know what I'm saying?
A few moments later.
What going on, boy? I'm talking about on, boy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? I was a little skeptical about it, you feel me? But you know what I'm saying? You put me together, you see, you know what I'm saying? The waves in full effect, it going down today, boy. Hey, man, check this out. I'm feeling so good, you know what I'm saying? Looking so good. I'm thinking that we redo the last bet, you know what I'm saying? First chick we see, whoever looked the best, my brother, they gonna get some of the Sniper Jones. I'm starving though, bro. I haven't eaten literally like all day. Yeah. That's no flex. I literally haven't eaten all day. Finally, the first meal of the day. Can I get the house fried rice, chicken and beef, no onions? Yeah, that's it. I'm just trying to figure out how you got your food before me, my G.
Hey, listen, first of all, he was standing outside for about 30 minutes outside the restaurant. I ordered.
I guess that's how it is when you making money move, boy, you know what I'm saying? I'm out there on the phone making play like Coach K, boy. You know what I'm saying? I might pull up in a Bentley, pull up in a Jag, boy, you know what I'm saying? You never know. Big things popping, you know what I'm saying? Me and my boy Big Holla, I'm out there, you know what I'm saying, having conversation calls. Alright, you know what I'm saying? Finally got my food, so we up out of here, boy. I'm telling y'all, man, I am starving. I haven't eaten all day, bro.
Yes, can I get, wow, I don't even know what I wanted. Can I get a cheeseburger King Jr. meal? Can I get the Hall of Fame Hershey's Sundae pie?
Hall of Fame? Nigga, what?
For the drink for the kids meal, can I get T2?
Hey, look, man, I tell y'all like this, bro. This is how we gonna do this. If y'all give me like 300 likes on this video, I will drop a diss track on this man's head same day. Same day it hit 300 likes. It's the same day he's out of here. On dogs. All right, man, we just got done wrapping up another banger, so make sure y'all head to my boy's channel to go check that out. Hey, go ahead and drop your channel one time.
We about to start hooping with your favorite YouTubers, because what I just seen, terrible.
I'm not gonna hold you, bro. Like, we just watched DDG and Fredo play basketball. That was some of the most disturbing footage I think I've seen.
How you say it?
In a long time.
Shit was ass, boy.
That shit was ass. And that's on dog. That's on dog. Hey, look, any YouTuber y'all think can beat me, tag them, at them. I'm not ducking no favor. As y'all see, I have an unboxing in my hand that I'm gonna show y'all pretty soon. Some fire, man. Some fire that I've been waiting for a very long time. I just wanted to make sure I bring it to y'all the right way. You feel me? I wanted to make sure I put it across the right way. So y'all make sure y'all drop a comment or a like down below if y'all feel like these sneakers are licks. You know what I'm saying? I need a little reinforcement from the squad. You feel me? Goddamn, Sauce. How many stairs you got? Shit.
Face.
the hell was y'all niggas doing when I came in here, bro?
What you mean?
I'm saying I came in the door. First of all, I was knocking for like 15 minutes, and when I came in, y'all were just getting.
Oh, we was turning up.
You know what I'm
That's
saying?
what we do over here, nigga, at the Sauce House. Huh? What you talking about? All right, nigga. Yeah, that's what we do at the Sauce House. We get it in every day.
I'm just saying though, nigga. I was outside knocking for about 15 minutes. You couldn't hear me because you was in this bit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Had to get my cardio right for the day. You know, it's vital. You know, 60 minutes a day.
Hey man, I am with my boy Saucedelgado. If you don't know about his channel, I'm linking it down below in my description. Go fuck with my boy, bro. He got some fire vlogs, fire videos, and we got a lot more coming. But today, I wanted to do this unboxing with him because I got some heat. Yeah, man, so we about to do unboxing on these, you know what I'm saying? See what's in the box. Y'all already know what's going on, boy. If you rocking with your boy, make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you hit that sub button. We just hit 6K. Shout out to everybody who helped me hit that 6K mark, man. We on the grind to 10,000 subs. So if you new to the channel, god damn, Crunchy B. Hey, man, get on, Crunchy B, come on down, boy. You know what I'm saying? Looking like,
goddamn, you know.
Gerald Levert. Say what
Crunchy B, Crunchy Black, first time.
Hey, you might have to get a little bit more light. You can't see him over there.
I know, you come over here, bro. You know, I'm Charco, man. I'm Charco, man. You know, shit, they call me the next Tyrese Gibson. Goddamn, you heard.
What is going on, boy? This your boy Sniper Drone, man. Look, today I got some, what's the name of these shoes? Today I got me some human racing, boy.
Cut. Start it over. Start over.
What's going on right now, baby? Black King get it in, goddamn. Up here with Sniper Jones, about to get it in, goddamn.
Cut.
You said
cut. Cut. YouTube, what's going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones coming back with another unboxing. Today we got some.
Boy, your head strong as hell, boy.
Y'all ain't say none of that.
Yo, bro, you just gonna, you know what I'm saying, be in the back of my damn unboxing like that, cuz? Like, you just really, it's really what you doing. Hey, man, we gotta. God damn, Crunchy B, you just gonna be, you know what I'm saying? Guess I'm the only professional in the house tonight.
I'm sorry, yeah, hold on.
Mother. Oh, what we, guys, what we doing?
Hey, bro, you see my sock? Nah, they in my room. My bad.
All right, y'all, man,
hey, bro, you see my lotion?
Bruh, you don't even need lotion. All right, y'all, man, we back with another video.
Hey, you talking about somebody?
God! I can't do this, man. Y'all got me messed up today. Let me go ahead and set this up right here, man. Go ahead and set this up right here. Hopefully this thing stays still because these tripods are terrible. We good. Finally outside, away from all that negativity. Back with another unboxing. Outside, love the fresh air, man. We got a sneaker package coming in from my guy P.
Hey, bro, you see my phone?
No, bro. No, your phone not out here, man.
I just swear I came out here like 5 minutes ago, bro.
What you looking for? What you?
Oh,
what you?
never mind.
Is there a charger over here?
Oh damn! Oh my god! Oh my good, bro! What the hell is going on?
Are you okay? Are you okay, little cannon? Are you okay?
Alright, now the camera all back together. We ready to unbox these kicks. Shout out to my guy Pete OG on Instagram. Let me go ahead and show that to y'all real quick. I gotta shout him out because he helped your boy out with this pair on dog. If y'all don't already know, I'm gonna link him down below in the description as well. Let's see what we got in here. Like I said, man, hey, can you pass me a knife, bro? Appreciate it, big dog. Like I said, man, I've been waiting for these for a while. When they first dropped, you feel me, I had my eyes on them, but I never copped because I was praying for times like this to rhyme like this. He told me that they had a non-OG box. He told me it was a non-OG box, so I had to make sure, you know, it was legit. Nothing against him, but you feel me, whenever you buying pickups like what I just bought, you always gotta be sure that they legit, especially when they got non-OG boxes, because you never know out there, bro. And let's see what we got inside the box. Fire!
Ooh, let me touch them hoes. Yeah, them things nice. Alright, we're going back to my room.
Alright, you guys, these are the human races, the Adidas pharell human races. As y'all see, they are worn lightly. I don't even know if y'all can tell by the condition because the condition is actually very great, but they're worn lightly. I had these legit checked before I bought them by a few of very credible guys, a few very credible YouTubers, a few very credible guys on IG. Huge shout out to my guy POG, man, for giving me a great price on these. Let me go see what my homies think about my new pickup. Crunchy B, bro, how you feel about my new pharrells, bro? What you think?
Shit. Them shit's kinda
Hey, Crunchy B, He just playing. He gonna bring him back. Hey, bro, Zay, how you feel about my new kicks, man? You know what I'm saying? Just came in, the new human race thing.
What size is?
He's 12. Yeah. Hey, Zay, you B?
Yeah, take that shit. I really like them. The colorway of them is, you know, it's different, but I mean, overall, it's a pretty basic. This shit's nice, bro. How much do you cost?
No, real talk, man. These are fire. And like I said, they dropped like 3 different colorways. This one was cool. It's a lot of colors in all of the releases of this season, but like I said, this is something that you can always rock. They're always gonna be comfortable because of the boost. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's fire. So what I'm about to do right now is give y'all a little bit of B-roll of this sneaker, man, just to show how dope it is, and I just wanna do some damn B-roll. So run it. Alright, man, we about to do some of the most random shit I think I've ever done before in my life. What time is it, bro?
Like 8:30.
It's like 8:30 right now. I'm over here at my boy Zay crib, and we decided just to go on a late night run.
Late night run, man. You know what I'm saying? If you're not in shape, then you're out of shape. And that's what's going on, boy.
So we about to go ahead and get this run in. He said he got a trail. He run a lot, you know what I'm saying? I usually do like treadmill. He like nature. He like actually being out there, getting it in. But either way it goes, always good to get that work in. You feel me?
He said he ready. You know what I'm saying? I really do this shit. I do this shit every day. So I want to inspire whoever watching this shit. You know what I'm saying? What time is it? It's like 8:30 something, nigga. It ain't never too late to get on your grind, man.
Shit, at least I hope I'm ready. That nigga just gave a whole damn Grammy Award winning speech. Seemed like this nigga probably gonna leave me behind. Damn, Sauce, I don't even know if I really wanna go, dog. You know what I'm saying? I thought I was in shape before I heard that damn Ricky Bobby pregame speech. I will catch up with y'all a little bit later, man. Gang, gang.
One eternity later.
Hey, man, we just getting back from that run, bruh. This man here need to be on. Hey, bro, you need to be on. What's that show? Ninja Warrior. This man needs to be on Ninja Warrior. I think we ran like 3.5, 4 miles. In my mind, though, I kind of knew that he was up to something, cause he's like, yeah, you know what I'm saying. We ain't gonna do nothing too much. You know,
I get niggas every time.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
We ain't gonna do too much. We go out there, we get to running. I extend the route by like 2 miles. Then I'm gonna see how he talking, how he feeling. You feeling good? I can fuss with my dude.
I was saying on his channel, you have to be around people that challenge you. You know what I'm saying? I know on this channel a lot we joke. I crack a lot of jokes, you know what I'm saying? I talk about a lot of materialistic things like sneakers, clothing, fashion. But at the end of the day, you have an individual responsibility, or just like the responsibility of yourself, to hang around people that want the best for you. But shout out to my boy Big Sauce one time, you feel me?
Hey man, if you're not empowering people, if you're not influencing people on a positive level, then what you doing?